Good morning, soulmates. So yesterday I was stuck with editing until like 2 a.m. in the morning. So today is a pretty hard day. But hey, I'm still smiling. So today I have a morning class and my internship. And later on, I think we are going to take you guys on an adventure. So yeah, let's stay put because this episode is going to be awesome. But I still haven't had time to take my scooter to the repair shop because I've had so much things to do. In the meantime, Adrian is letting me borrow his scooter. So thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Morning cardio. I'm late for class. See you later. See you later, buddy. Back at my internship. My internship is actually a part of a class at a White Pacific University, which I am required to take. And if you didn't watch my last episode when I was here, it's in this building, 29th floor. Pretty awesome view. I'm a graphic designer intern, so I have been given the task today to create some mock-ups, which I think will be fun. Stay with me. Just finished my day as an intern at Lent Enterprises. Say my name, say my name, say my name. It's Friday! Yes! Yes!
Friday, gotta get down on Friday, Friday, Friday.
Down on Friday, you gotta get down on Friday. Ooh, baby, when I saw you walking. So this is a big day, Adrian.
This is. He is not the father.
No, today's a big day because we are signing our lease for another year in this beautiful complex.
Not like it's in the middle of Chinatown or anything.
The positive side is that we are still roommates.
This is true.
This is true.
You know,
from flooding.
It doesn't matter where you live. It's about the environment you create, boys.
Wow,
And
that's
Wow.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Next year right here.
Do it.
Ladies first.
So what happened?
So we went in there looking for a great deal. She said, you know what? I can give you the best deal. However, it's not gonna be cheaper than what you're paying right now. It's actually gonna be more expensive. But you know what? It's a great deal. You guys should definitely look into it. Go figure.
Dun dun dun!
You guys suck.
He's
We
a
are.
believer though. Never
Yeah, but I
forget.
mean, Justin Bieber so is wearing "Just Do It" t-shirts, so I mean, I should support him too.
Let's go.
All right. Last time he was here, we did that hike on the mountain. This time, we're doing this side of the mountain. We have 30 minutes until sunset. Hey, that's not your average Instagram story, is it?
That is not. You guys gonna have to go to my. Almost fell off the mountain right there, but that's all good.
There's nothing we lack. There's nothing deeper than my love.
Hey, what? I think we escaped the T-Rex, guys! Oh, so why does it always catch us?
Never does.
There's nothing deeper than my love to you. My love to you. My love to you.
Fun fact time with Adrian and Austin. All right, here's Austin.
fun fact of the day, soulmates, is cherophobia is the fear of having fun. And that's something we absolutely don't have here.
Always more than my love to you. My love to you.
Still know
This
why
is
we
the
have
album
fun.
we're on. Ooh, oh.
Okay guys, so I get home, I start editing, I look at all the footage, and I realize that I fucked up. I didn't turn on the microphone when I was doing the goodbye thing. So, when you fuck up in the vlog, you gotta take the consequences. So this is me taking the consequences. See you tomorrow, fam. See ya.
Guys, I don't think I recorded that.
Jesus! Nailed it.